Welcome to Welcome to Food Fun Friday, and today we're making a brown butter banana bread. We adapted a recipe from the Hungry Hutch. Always give credit where you're getting your inspiration from. The only thing we're doing is we're reducing the butter. She has a stick of butter. We only did half a stick. And I also saw, and I don't know where I saw this though, once you spray the pan is putting cinnamon sugar on here, so it kind of like gets a cinnamon crust. That's what I'm hoping. That's what we're hoping for. But fun fact about me is I'm a sucker for the discount bin. And it doesn't matter how many bananas I do or don't need. I always feel the need that I have to buy them. Mm-hmm. So we're going to start out with 3 really ripe bananas. But if you wanted to make banana bread for whatever reason, and you had really fresh bananas, just put them in the microwave for like 30 seconds and they'll be soft enough to mash. But this is how they get super sweet and just, and Hannah is, her window of eating banana is about 5 seconds.
It is. Perfection is 5 seconds.
Yes.
It's either too brown or just slightly not ripe enough, but I do like it pretty green.
Yes.
So it's still firm.
Yeah, like if there's a spot on it, forget it. It's game over.
That's banana bread bananas.
Correct. And I typically, if I were to freeze these, I freeze them in the skin. And the reason I do that is it's just easy to do it. And if I need 1 banana, 2 bananas, they stay separate. And then I just microwave them for 10 seconds, 10 or 20 seconds, and they get like liquid gold. And then you can just pour them right into your dish. All right, that looks good. These are pretty mashed up anyway. How gorgeous is this bowl? This is from No Crumbs Left. She's a Chicago food blogger, and if you don't know her, we'll tag her down below so you can follow her content because she makes incredible food. That's good enough. We're just want little chunks like that. So we're gonna add, so we browned the butter, and all we did was we just put it on a low heat and just let it go until it gets like this amber color. And you want to pay attention, don't walk away, because this goes from amber to burnt in a matter of seconds. Yes. And I was just telling Hannah, I don't think I've made brown butter ever, or if I have, it's been like once. But she was in a chocolate chip recipe, and you said it gave it like a different depth of flavor.
I didn't believe it, but it actually does deepen the flavor a little bit. A noticeable amount.
This recipe also calls for just brown sugar, and that's a little suspect to me, because I would think that there's going to be cane sugar in here as well. But I'm also thinking the brown butter is just going to like caramelized almost. Whoa, did I drop some? Oh, it went in the bowl.
Okay.
That was lucky.
That was very lucky.
We can get it. I didn't have this sealed all the way. And maybe another pinch for good measure. Yeah. Perfect. And I love that I spilled it all over. Always getting my hands in here. For some reason, I've got like huge clumps of brown sugar, so I'm just making sure. Like, look at that whole brown thing of brown sugar. It's okay. I'm seeing how much vanilla's in there.
Oh, I thought you were just giving it a sniff.
Yeah, well, I was trying to see if I could see how much was in there. I forgot to add the vanilla. And we've just mixed this together. This is what it's looking like. And now we're gonna add the dry ingredients. It's just 2 cups of flour. And then baking powder.
How many banana breads do you think you've made?
Probably about 1,000. All different kinds. And when I look back, it's my mother-in-law's recipe. And okay, I want to say it was probably 2010, something like that. I think food photography back then, where I don't know why we thought we had to be as close to the object as possible. Yes. And I said it was the ultimate banana bread, but it was undercooked. Like, it didn't even look at. It was hard to even look at. Now that I see it now.
Looking back at it.
Yeah, and I was like, how was I convincing people to make recipes when the food photography was so crazy? So cinnamon sugar is something that I like to have on hand. Could I make cinnamon sugar with sugar and cinnamon? Absolutely. This costs like $1.99. And I'm adding a teaspoon of that to this, and then I'm also gonna spray it into the pan. So let's just make sure we've got all our ingredients, because remember, we're notorious for not remembering. So we've got the butter, the bananas, the eggs, the flour, the brown sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, vanilla. That's it. So now we're gonna mix it together.
Let us know down below. Are you team nuts in your banana bread? Or no nuts.
Or just chocolate chips.
Or chocolate chips, or if you're just a tried and true OG, just banana.
Did you want to add chocolate chips to this, Hannah?
We can, but I'm fine with it just being plain.
Okay, maybe this will do plain, and then if we like it, then we'll make another one at some point with nuts and.
My mom is team nuts. I'm
Yes.
team chocolate chips for
Yeah,
sure.
I want walnuts. My late husband always
Although
said.
your mini loaves with the crushed up nuts on top are really good.
Yes.
We'll
The
link-
lightened up. We'll
we'll link that
to-
below. But what were you about to say?
Oh, that he said that no one likes walnuts. I'm like, everybody loves walnuts. So here we go. We are gonna spray this. And I'm gonna start, I just wanna measure this to see how much. So this is a teaspoon. I think I want it on the sides as well.
Oh, absolutely. But I think, hold on, before you do that, like you guys see what I'm talking about? Almost like as if it's flour
Oh, I see.
and you're flouring the sides.
I think this is gonna be good.
Yeah. Okay.
All right,
Show the people. Woohoo!
And then we're just gonna add this in. I can barely see
I
what
was
I'm
like,
doing.
you got it.
No.
I like the way this batter feels.
And I think I also want to put cinnamon sugar on top.
Yeah.
We're just cut this in half and then
Lengthwise.
lengthwise. I think that looks good.
Okay, and then this is going in at 350.
I'm gonna start at 45 minutes and then we'll see. A lot of breads do take 60 minutes, but it doesn't look like it's filling more than half of my thing. So let's start with 45. She's gorgeous, fantastic. The cinnamon sugar I think worked. So it looks like I was telling Hannah, it almost looks like an apple fritter.
And it kind of smells like one too with the cinnamon.
I think this will pop right out. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Can you see, I don't know if you can see, there's like little bits of cinnamon right there. Do we cut it from the side, at the middle?
Sure.
Ooh. That looks amazing.
It smells so good. I could literally smell it from like the back of her house.
We'll cut this in half and then we'll split it so we each have a side.
Okay.
Why don't you come over?
Oh, it's very
Moist.
light.
What an amazing texture.
He said that so
So like,
like National Geographic. Like no, it really is. It is super soft, buttery, banana-y.
and even with the cup of brown sugar, it's not too sweet. It probably could be sweeter for you.
It's perfect.
Wow.
That's fantastic. I really like the banana on top because then you get it a little bit in the crust when you take a bite. It's like that caramelized banana flavor.
Yeah, this one's a keeper.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna make this. Well, thanks for joining us in this video. Always love Food Fun Friday.
Yes.
What did you want to call it? Friday.
Well, the thing is, she always says Food Fun Friday, even though grammatically I think you would say fun. Wait, what did I just say?
Food Fun?
You say Food Fun Friday, but it should be Fun Food Friday.
Okay, Fun Food Friday.
But she also does that with pizza. She says Party
Party
Pizza
Pizza.
Friday, not
Correct.
Party.
Not pizza party.
Yeah, not Pizza Party. It's always Party Pizza.
That just makes me me.
Yeah.
But if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. We're trying to double our subscribers this year in 2026. I can't believe it's the last week of,
January already.
yeah. I just had this bite right here with the cinnamon sugar mixture on it.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Delicious.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye, see you next time.
Bye-bye. Thanks for joining.
Todd says bye.